guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting video because we are going to be doing an unboxing and a try on of my June Ipsy Glam bag as well as the Glam Bag Plus, and I'm so excited to show you guys all the products I got as well as give you some mini reviews, and you can also see how I try them on. Really quick before we get started, if you're new, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe down below so you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week, typically Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And a big thank you to Ipsy for partnering with me on this video. I always get so excited to show you guys my glam bags, and I'm excited to also include the Glam Bag Plus this month. I got it a tad bit late and we were going on vacation last month, so I wasn't able to include it, but today we will be unboxing both boxes. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, if you do not subscribe to Ipsy, stop what you're doing. I'm gonna have a link down below so you can sign up, but you do actually get a customized glam bag every single month with 5 different products, and the bags are always so cute. I love the surprise of just opening them up and seeing what's inside, but also seeing the really cute bag. So this is actually what the June bag looks like, and it has Ipsy and Tetris on the back here. And yeah, a super cute bag for this month, and I feel like it kind of matches my makeup look. The shade on my lips kind of matches this color, and then I have purple in my eyes. But yeah, this is the June Glam bag. Okay, so let's reach inside. So the very first product is from the brand I Do Care, and it is the Sugar Kitten Hydrating Holographic Peel Off Mask. You guys, this mask is so cool. Like, I definitely want to order the full size. So here's what it looks like. Basically what you do is you go ahead and apply on, and I applied a pretty generous amount. I like my mask to cover my entire face. It is actually infused with ruby and pearl powder to exfoliate dead skin. And again, it is very hydrating. So it contains rose water and hyaluronic acid that is supposed to help calm irritation, boost elasticity, and hydrate the skin. And one of the coolest things about it is it actually transforms from a shimmering like emerald shade to a soft pink when applied. So by far, out of all the masks that I've ever tried, this one on my face was the coolest. It did leave my skin feeling super nice and hydrated and ready to apply the rest of the products. Okay, so the next product is actually a lip fondant from the brand Caked Beauty. And I got the shade Sweet Tooth, which is so up my alley. This color is so gorgeous, and look at just how pigmented it is just off of one swipe. So you guys will see me apply it. The first thing I noticed again was how extremely pigmented it was. I swiped it on my lips one time and bam. It actually dries to a really nice matte finish, but it's not drying on the lips. It's long lasting, and it's also transfer proof. So I ended up putting a little bit of like a balm over top of it just because I wanted a more glossier look today, and it didn't actually transfer on the balm, which was nice. Very, very comfortable. And another thing I loved about it is so much comes out on the actual applicator. I don't know what it is about this applicator. I was able to do all of my lips, and then I even went back and did like a second layer just to go down a little bit further under my lips, and I didn't even have to go back into the lipstick, which was great. So I love this shade. Again, it's the shade Sweet Tooth, and it is their lip fondant by Half Caked. So the very next product is from the brand Sugar Cosmetics, and this is their Contour D-Force Mini Highlighter in the shade 01 Champagne Champion. You guys, this highlight is so pigmented. So I actually ended up putting it all over my face. It's super versatile, and it can adapt to any part of your face that needs highlighting. So first I started on the cheekbones. I ended up going on my nose, my Cupid's bow, and then I even finished off with a brow bone highlight. And you can see again just how pigmented it is. It's lightweight, and just a little bit definitely goes a long way. And I love when you have a color that you can actually put in multiple different areas. I feel like sometimes if I get a highlight that's too dark, I don't want to like do it on my brow bone or in different areas, but this one is like the perfect shade to put all over your face so you can be super highlighted. And then the next product that we have is actually a brush. And I'm going to insert a picture of it when it's actually clean. So this is actually from the Tetris X Ipsy, and this is their blending brush. So this brush was actually created to seamlessly blend your eyeshadow together. The brush is super, super soft, and it has synthetic bristles. Another thing too is that you can actually use it to apply your base and your crease eyeshadow. I use it to apply 2 different shades today, and I love the way that it blended everything out. So again, that is the Tetris and Ipsy blending brush. Okay, very last product in my glam bag is from Tony Moly. So this is their Vita 12 Jelly Cleanser. So before I put the face mask on from my glam bag, I actually went in with this cleanser. It's actually supposed to clear your pores of impurities without stripping the skin of natural oils, leaving it super soft and hydrated. I love that about this cleanser because I don't like cleansers that make your skin feel super dried out, and this one definitely didn't. It actually features a multivitamin blend that's supposed to target a wide variety of skin concerns like elasticity, brightness, hydration, and nourishment. And again, my skin felt super soft and definitely not dried out. It felt pretty hydrated after I put on the cleanser. And you guys, that is all the products for the glam bag. Okay, so this is the box that the Glam Bag Plus comes in, and you do get 5 different products. So the very first product that you have in it is the Tetris and Ipsy collection, and here are the eyeshadows. So you get 6 different eyeshadows, a really nice palette, and it also comes with a great mirror. I'm gonna actually go ahead and swatch these for you guys so you can see them. So the first 2 shades are matte shades, and then you have 4 different shimmers. The shimmers are super pigmented. Like, you can already see on my fingers how metallic they look. Oh my goodness. Like, you guys, look how nice those are. And that's just like no primer or anything. Okay, and then the last 2 shades is a purple and a blue. Again, very shimmery. And I always love doing swatches where you guys can see them just to see like how pigmented they are. This blue is just so pretty. And those are all the shades from that palette, but it's so exciting to see Ipsy do this collaboration because, again, I love the blending brush, and then these shades in this palette are gorgeous. So again, that is the first product. Okay, the next product is from Pure Cosmetics, and this is their Big Look mascara with argan oil. I actually applied this to my lower lash line, and my eyelashes, like, they look pretty long. I love the applicator on this because it's the one that's kind of like, I don't know how to describe the material, but it has a lot of different bristles. And I love those kind of applicators, especially for the lower lash line, because they really get in and separate the lower lashes and make them look really full and nice. So again, that is the Pure Cosmetics mascara. Big Look. Okay, then we have the 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster. Okay, so it says, working to improve dull and lax skin, this highly concentrated booster targets signs of hyperpigmentation, irregular skin tone, while helping reduce and prevent discoloration. The result is a brighter skin with enhanced luminosity. And I really like the way this made my skin feel. I actually put it on before my foundation, and I felt like it looked pretty hydrating and everything while I was applying my foundation. So I'm excited to try this out more. Okay, so the very next product is from Tristique, and this is their Matte Color and Shiny Balm Crayon. So the bottom of this is actually a balm, and then the top is a lip crayon. The shade of this is super pretty, and I must say it feels super comfortable and hydrating on the lips. It just feels like a really nice balm, but it does have quite a bit of color in it. So I really enjoyed this, and I think it's awesome when you have like 2-in-1 products. You have the balm on the bottom and then the lipstick. For me, that's a nice item I can like throw in my purse in case I want to like touch up throughout the day. Okay, the very last product is from Suva Beauty, and this is their Hydra Liner, and they actually sent over the shade Grease, which I believe is a black. And not only did it come with the eyeliner, but they also sent over a brush, which I think is super helpful. Okay, so I haven't been wearing a lot of eyeliner, but I do want to just apply this maybe on my hand with the brush to see what it looks like. Oh yeah, it is super pigmented. And I like the brush because it's really thin, so I feel like you could create like a thick or thin wing. That's my impression of like a wing eyeliner right there on my eye. So again, that is the very last product. And you guys, that is going to complete this month's Ipsy Glam Bag as well as the Glam Bag Plus unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and then also that you like seeing the products tried on. A big thank you to Ipsy again for partnering with me. I love doing these unboxings, and I hope that you guys like watching them. So I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.